Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we will discuss about the topic strings in detail. Strings. In Python, strings are continuous sets of character represented in quotation mark. It can be either single quotes, double quotes or triple quotes. It doesn't really matter. If it is inside the quotes, it is treated as a string. So we will look into an example to have a better understanding. So in this example, what we are trying to achieve is we are assigning a variable called s1 with a value Python string. If we check the type of the variable s1, Python should display it as string. So we use the function type to check the variable type. So it's displayed as a string. We'll look into another example. In this example, what we are trying to achieve is we are assigning an integer value which is 5 inside a quote to a variable called s5. So in this case, the 5 will be treated as a string. When we check the type of s2, Python should display them as a string. And yes, it did. When it comes to string, the next concept you guys should be aware of are escape sequences. So what is escape sequence? Escape sequence are a special character reserved for special purposes. So there are like 4 important special characters you guys should be aware of. It's new line, tab, single quotes, and double quotes. We'll look into an example to have a better understanding about the special characters. So in this example, what I did is, in between the character Python and string, I've introduced a special character \n. So if you use the keyword \n, Python will treat them as a new line. So when you print the S3, Python will print the string Python in its first line and string in the second line. Let's see. Here we go. We'll see another example. In this case, I've used \t, in which it will be treated as tab space between Python and the string. So the backslash, the single quotes will be treated as single quotes, and the backslash with the double quotes will be treated as a double quotes inside the string. So now, what if I don't want the \n or the \t or any other special characters to be treated as special character? I just want them as an ordinary character. So in that case, I mention the character R before the quotes. This is called raw string. So the raw strings are nothing but when I don't want the special characters to be treated as a special character, I just want them as an ordinary character. I use a character R in front of the quotes. Now we will look into an example to understand about the raw string. If I print the variable s5, Python should display a string Python \n and string. The \n in this case will not be treated as a special character which is used for new line. So whenever you guys use R in front of the quotes, the string inside the quotes will be treated as raw string. I hope you guys understood the concept of string in detail. See you guys in the next video.